Before you start using your HITIQ PROTEQT system, here are some things you need to know. In the box is your smart mouthguard, charging case, and quick start guide. You'll need to download the HITIQ PROTEQT app. This is your hub for setup, session tracking, and data. Charge your mouthguard in the case by turning it on. A flashing yellow mouthguard means charging, flashing green means ready. The case auto powers off after 90 minutes of a full charge cycle. Additional lights and their meanings are found in the support guide. To fit your mouthguard, boil it, bite gently, and suck hard to shape. Use fingers to mold if needed. Repeat this process a maximum of 3 times. For comprehensive boil and bite instructions, refer to the video on our website or within the app. We recommend watching the video in full first before commencing the fit process. Before training or a game, make sure your guard is charged and connected. A fully charged mouthguard lasts approximately 4 hours, sufficient for a warm-up and a complete game. Tap Record Session to start tracking. Based on years of research, Impact IQ runs in the background to detect real impacts only when the mouthguard's in your mouth. After your session, place your guard on charge to sync data. It can take up to 2 minutes to download. If the mouthguard's power is low after a long session, end the session in the app and charge the device. A 5 to 10 minute top-up charge will help you be able to download the session data. If an impact is flagged, we recommend you take an in-app assessment. Where necessary, you can either see your preferred medical practitioner by clicking on See Doctors Nearby, or connect directly with the 111 NHS service through the app. You can also download your assessment results and share them directly from your device as a PDF. You should also know you can add up to 6 players in the app and label your sessions to stay organized. Need help or want more information? Tap Support in the app setting page to chat or connect with our support experts.